What to do if you have high ceiling of 3 meters or more? You gotta find out soon. Hi guys, sorry to have kept you waiting and nice to see you again in Interior Design with Ray, bringing you tips and tutorials for your home renovation journey. In today's video, I'll show you how I designed the interior of this resale condominium with a ceiling height of 3.2 meters. This is just the part 1. I'll be showing you more in the days to come for the later parts. So let's dive in and take a look. Okay guys, let's take a look at the unit itself. So I'm entering the main door. This is the entrance foyer. You see there's some built-in cabinet here. So there's a nice recess area here. So it will be for the cabinet. Okay. And all this built-in carpentry, which was provided by the developer, will be removed. Here, counter, kitchen, cabinet, all will be removed. Okay, all this as well. So from here, right, this is the living. Suppose the dining to be here, but my proposal is to shift the dining out to the huge balcony. So you can see here the ceiling is about 3.2 meters, which is quite high. Okay. There's a beam running across. Below is the bifold door. Okay, so it's but the roof is not very wide. It's about 2.4, 2.5 meters. We have to make use of the space here to create a nice living area. Okay, so the TV feature will be here. This serving counter will be removed. Okay, this is very open right now, so I'm going to do a divider to cover up this sink area. Okay, let's walk into the bedrooms. Okay, so basically this is one of the common bedrooms that I'm not going to do anything. This is the master. This is another common bedroom. Okay, so for the master bedroom, same, right? I've got a very high ceiling as well. Okay, so I'm going to create a sleeping area somewhere here, and this wall will be demolished. Okay, so as to create a walk-in wardrobe using the common bedroom at the back. So you can see here these two bedrooms, they have the attached balcony outside. Okay, the balcony is huge, goes all the way here. Right, I'm just standing inside the master bedroom, and look at the fantastic view. Okay, that's the upper shipyard. Okay, so in order to enjoy the view while they wake up, okay, the bed, okay, this bed will be facing this direction. Okay, so once they wake up, they are able to see the view. Okay, so once this wall has been demolished, okay, let me just go towards this area here. So when this wall has been demolished, okay, I will create a walk-in wardrobe here. Okay, in this very tight and limited space, but it's just good enough. Okay, so I'll show you the design later. Okay, so you can see here, there's an existing serving counter, and there's a glass partition. Okay, the dish rack is here. I think this is a very typical condominium layout, right, where all these are exposed, right? All the mats are being exposed towards the living and dining. So I don't think this is very practical. Okay, so I'm going to remove all this thing and then I'll do a more solid divider. Just that this part here will be see-through. Okay, just a little bit. You don't need to expose all this. Okay, it's a very small. Come to the kitchen. It's a very small kitchen. Okay, right now it's only from here to here. It's a built-in conventional oven, built-in wine fridge. Okay, these are the two hob and the hood. Right, they are all the same brand. In order to have more tabletop space, okay, this full height is going to be removed. Okay, so coffee maker, you don't need to really have a built-in. You can buy the off the rack. This is a microwave oven. Right, you can actually buy the 3-in-1 built-in oven that has got the 3 functions: steam, bake, and microwave. Okay, so just have to save space here because the kitchen is so narrow. Okay, so all this, right, will be shifted down here. This one will be removed. Okay, the sink remains in this location because I don't want to change the piping. Okay, all the concealed pipes. So over at this side here, I'll do a dish rack. Okay, just directly above the sink. Okay, because right now it's just open, right? And if you put your plates here, I think it's so unsightly. You can actually from outside can actually see inside. So it's a no-no for me. Okay, so all this will be removed. Okay. Okay guys, let's take a look at the almost completed false ceiling. Okay, so this is the entrance area. Okay, this is the original false ceiling. So it runs through. And I've removed all the glass door. Okay. And you can see that the aircon has been shifted from the right side to center, right, of this opening here. Right, I've also added this box up. Okay, this box up is basically because there's a storage cabinet somewhere here. Okay, come a display. And so if you see at the corner there, right, there's this round edges, right? That is like a molded area. Okay, so if you see the corner there, right, is I'm using this round mold, right, at the corner just to smoothen the beam side because there's a beam here. Okay, just to smoothen it. Right, so it goes down like that, and then I purposely come down a little bit more to create a curtain pelmet. Right, so the curtain track can be hidden underneath the beam. Right, so from the side you don't really see the track so much. Okay, so this is the gypsum board. Okay, so why using gypsum board for the false ceiling? Because the wallpaper glue will actually stick on better onto a gypsum board material rather than the plasterboard material. Okay, so plasterboard material you can paste the wallpaper, no issue. Right, but for ceiling, right, wallpaper on the ceiling, it's always good to use gypsum board material. Okay, let's go into the master bedroom. Right, so master bedroom also has the very high ceiling. Right, it's about 3.2 meter. Okay, so this part here is where the box up is. Below there's going to be a built-in wardrobe. And then there's a study table latch somewhere here. Right, because of the view, the headboard is going to be here. Right, so the bed will be facing this balcony. Right, on the left will be the walk-in wardrobe. Okay, so all this part will be covered up by carpentry works. Okay, and then over here, there's this 2-panel French door that swings left and right, which is about 1 meter. So that's the main L for the walk-in wardrobe. So on the left, you can see the box up there. Okay, so that's the depth of the wardrobe. So it stretches from here. Right, this part here is shallower because this wardrobe is basically a display cabinet for the bags. So you don't need such a depth. Right, you don't need a 60 cm depth for bag display. Right, so this is about 40 cm. Okay, and then there's an indentation here. So that even take up a little bit more of the depth already. Right, so this part here will continue with some storage cabinet here. Shallower one. Okay, so the walkway is like that. Right, just go straight. Right, and turn right. There's one more wardrobe here. Right, you can see here. Okay, my guy is plastering. This is the box up on top. So the length, the wardrobe comes down. So this is another passageway going like that towards the balcony. So when you turn right, right, it's the dresser. Right, the dresser is over here. This is the back part of the wardrobe. Okay, it goes like that, like that. Okay, so it's a nice passageway, like a U shape. Okay, and then going to the sleeping area.